Here's a 2018 Chevrolet Equinox. Stylish, energized, and ready to take off. This is a multitasker that doesn't compromise. It comes with all the amenities you need: external memory control, power heated mirrors, air conditioning, configurable instrument gauges, doors and push-button start proximity key, manual tilting steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.